Hello everybody, this is Spiritual Findings with a Gypsy Soul. I am your Gypsy, Vera Lynn, and today we're going to be doing a general reading for my Aries for December 2018. Now when I say general reading, guys, this is going to cover your love, your career, your soul story, what's going on for December. Now for a limited time only, I am offering free readings, guys. Yes, free readings to anybody who subscribes to my channel, and most importantly, shares my channel too as well. Once you guys have done so, you can find my email below. Alright, email me with the question that you have, and once I've seen you have subscribed and shared, I will do a one-card drawing from the Angels deck. I will take a picture of the card. I will email you that picture along with some insight that it has regarding your question. Alright guys, so let's jump into it. For some of you guys who have been watching me for a while, you know I like to go over the planets, the energies, the full moons, what's going on in each sign for the month of December. Now your ruling planet Mars is still in Pisces, so you might have still that emotional energy going on regarding your sex life, your drive. So for some of you guys who are dating, you know, you might want to put a label on the relationship during this time, so just wait until the energies settle. I like to see that this time right now for you guys, you're really making sure that the relationships, whether it's co-workers, romance, are really serving you for the best. Okay, so let's just jump into it. On the 2nd, we have Venus is entering Scorpio, okay? Scorpio is the sign of a renewal, death, a new chapter in your life, okay? With Venus, Venus is the ruler over relationships, romance, the art, the beauty, so you might see a renewal during that time, okay? On the 6th, we have Mercury is going direct in Scorpio, okay? Mercury is the sign of communication, messages, events, okay? So in Scorpio, there's a lot going on there, okay? A renewal for everything, shall we say. Alright, and on the 7th, we have a new moon in Sagittarius, okay? Also, shortly after that, on the 12th, Mercury is entering Sagittarius too as well. Sagittarians are passion seekers, okay? So with the energy of the new moon as well as Mercury, you're going to see, maybe you're going to take a more leading position. And I know my Aries, you guys are definitely my leaders, okay? So just embrace that energy, all right? On the 22nd, we have a new moon in Cancer, and Cancer's ruler is, in fact, the moon, okay? So with that being said, I feel like December, along with some of you guys who are celebrating the holidays, is going to be a little bit emotional, but it's also going to make you take that step back and just make sure that all your relationships, whether it's romance, career, are serving you for the better, okay? So embrace that, guys, all right? All right. Let's just jump into it. So I've been trying to do this video for, I think this is maybe the 5th or 6th time I've been redoing it. I really feel like your energy is a little bit on maybe the angry side, aggression. Maybe you guys just have that chip on your shoulder that you are just looking to get off. Whatever it is, Aries, make sure that you do approach it in a good mindset, okay? If you want to leave your job, put in that 2 weeks. As much as you just want to tell your boss or your co-workers to go themselves, do it. Do it with the right set of mind, okay? You don't want to leave water under the bridge. You want to leave things in the most professional way that you can, okay? As much as it might hurt, this could even be a relationship that I'm talking about. As much as it may hurt, you want to do it in the best interest of you and the others around you, okay? Most importantly, you though, okay? I like my shirt here, winning vibes only. All right, guys, so embrace that for December 2018. Now, I will be pulling cards from the original Rider-Waite deck, as well as I'm going to be doing a message from the angels for you guys, okay? Alright, so let's jump into it. If you guys would like to book a private reading, you can email me. I do pre-recorded, I do email, over the phone, FaceTime. Let me know, guys, alright? Alright, so what's going on for my Aries for December 2018? You guys are of the 1st house. Your ruler is Mars and your element is fire, okay? All right. I usually only do 3 cards, but it seems like you have a lot more going on. Okay, wow. We got some interesting stuff here, Aries. All right, we are starting off with the 4 of Pentacles. So, I'm going to take this two ways here. Some of you guys might be hoarding your money, okay? As you can see, he has the pentacle closely to him, okay? He has 1 above and 2 at his feet. So maybe you are not being as open, okay, as sharing as you should be. We all know the saying, in order to make money, you need to spend money. Okay, this could be regarding your career. As well as I'm seeing, also, for some of you guys who have taken the step further, you're coming into wealth too. This could be money around the corner. This could be the holidays helping you. Okay, 'tis the season, right? All right, and also we have the Page of Pentacles. So there will, in fact, be a message this month for you regarding your finances. Now, this could just be a holiday bonus. This could be a promotion. All right, this could be gifts from others, as well as you giving gifts too, as well. All right. And also, you have a lot of pages here. We have the Page of Cups. So I feel like once you learn to let go, or you learn to invest, whatever it is that you need to take, Aries, you are going to get a message regarding your emotions, okay? Because cups represent emotions, represent love, okay? So with the Page of Water, or the Page of Cups here, there definitely is going to be a lot that is going to be said to you this month, or sent to you, a letter, okay? You could hear from an old friend, a family member calling just to catch up, okay? It could even just be those holiday cards coming in, all right? And we also have the Hermit, okay? So for this card, it could represent that Virgo in your life, whether you have a Virgo sibling, okay, a Virgo spouse, a Virgo co-worker. This to me, I feel like for most of you guys, is taking that step back to heal, to relax, okay? Now, when you see the Hermit, it could also be that you are in desperate need to take a step back, to meditate, to take time for yourself, to dive into those spiritual studies. I feel like a lot of you guys, especially with you finding your way here to spiritual findings, you need to dive into what it is that is your calling. I know a lot of you guys feel the spiritual change, the holistic change that is going on in the world. You need to take that step back. You need to start studying on what it is that really has your focus, and embrace it, okay? It's okay to decline something. It's okay to, you know, if you had a commitment, to just decline, because you need that time to yourself, because some of you guys are just really wearing thin, okay? So make sure you take that time for yourself. Perhaps it's a change in diet too that you need. And with following that, you have the Moon, okay? This could represent the new moon in Sagittarius. This could represent the full moon in Cancer, but really, this is your intuition. Embrace your intuition. Embrace what your gut is telling you to go. Don't second guess your gut, okay, guys? Because that's second guessing what it is that, you know, the Creator is telling you, okay? What your gut, your heart is telling you. Don't second guess it, okay? If you think something right away and then you're kind of like, no. Okay, you need to embrace that first thought, okay, guys? You know how they say never go against your gut? Well, the Moon card is here telling you that. That also could be a Cancer in your life popping up. It could be a Pisces in your life. This could just be Mars, your ruler, being in Pisces. Maybe you need to embrace your feminine emotional side, because I know you guys are a very masculine, fierce horoscope, okay? Zodiac sign. All right, the King of Cups. So you need emotional balance, okay? For some of you guys who are dating, for some of you guys who are married, is the relationship really serving you? Is there enough give and take for both sides, your spouse and you? This could just be you kind of isolating yourself and finding out what it is that really makes you happy, because you cannot give love or take love from others until you truly love yourself. And that is very important, Aries, not just for you, but for everybody. You could already be in love with yourself. You could embrace everything that you do and see the passions behind it, but perhaps your spouse or your partner, your co-workers do not. So you need to let them have the time to do it themselves, okay? And with following that, you have the Lovers card. So you are finding people who are like-minded. This could you really be connecting with your spouse or your partner. This could be a Gemini popping up in your life. All right, guys? Whatever it is, you will find somebody who thinks the same way that you do, who have the same belief system as you do, okay? So whatever it is, you need to embrace that relationship. This could be career, this could be romance, all right, guys? All right. And once you do so, you will be walking away with a lot because you have the 7 of Swords. As you can see here, this guy has more swords than he can carry, that he even had to leave some behind. Now, with this card, you could view it as positive, but also this could be maybe you're being a little bit too greedy. Okay, you expect too much from your spouse, you expect too much from your coworkers, your employees, your boss. Just make sure that when you reach this state where you're able to take more than you could possibly hold, that you are doing it in good interest, okay? That you are not screwing over other people, shall we say, okay? So make sure if you're leaving that job or you're leaving that spouse that you are doing it in the right mindset. That is very, very important. You do not want to do things in a regretful manner. All right. Now, you guys have the Lovers card in your reading, as well as you have the 2 of Cups. So once you get your shit together, should I say, you are not going to have a hard time finding a relationship or making your relationship work, or finding people that believe the same things you do, okay? The 2 of Cups, they say, is the real Lovers card. This is a fair maiden and a young lad. They are having a contract. They are exchanging vows between each other, okay? This doesn't just have to be romance. This could, like I said, be career too as well. So embrace that, please, okay? Once you get all your ducks in a row, the people will come, all right? I mean, like my shirt says, winning vibes only, okay? Positive vibes do, in fact, attract more positive vibes. Now, I want to say that it has really taken me a while to do this reading. I've been channeling in your energy, and I feel a lot of you guys have that chip on your shoulder, that you are a little bit angry, resentful. So just make sure that the decisions that you are making regarding your finances, your career, and your soul story aren't fueled by that. Okay, you might be hurt, you might be in a time of low, okay? Some of you guys must just lost a loved one, maybe have been fired. Whatever it is, just make sure your next steps are done with peace and harmony and positive vibes, because it will just attract more abundance to you guys. Now, we are ending with the 5 of Cups. So with me just saying the energies that I've been channeling in, please do not focus on the coulda, shoulda, woulda, okay? Past, present, future, okay? Because there is more behind you. There are cups here behind you that are just full of gifts that are just waiting to be given to you, okay? So please do not focus on the negatives, Aries. And I know it can be so easy to just get lost in that, to get stuck in that tornado, that whirlpool of just chaos. There's a lot of changes going on in the world, political, spiritual, so I need you to let it go. Let it go, whatever it was. That spilt milk, don't cry over spilt milk, because there's a lot of stuff behind you that you are not seeing because you're just focused on that negative, okay? That relationship that didn't work, that career move that just really didn't do you good, or that just son of a bee boss that just really ticked you off, whatever it might be. You have to let it go, Aries, okay? Because if you don't, all of this doesn't matter. You're going to be stuck in a mindset like this, okay? And that negative energy will just keep piling up, all right? All right, so let's do a message from the angels for you guys. All I really hope to hear from you guys for that free reading because it is a limited time only. Alright, all you have to do is subscribe and share my channel. Comment below because there is a strong family here on Spiritual Findings. I'm quick to reply on your guys' comments, okay? Alright. So, we had one jump over here for you. 8 of Fire, events moving at a fast pace. Delays are over. Many things happening at once. And you know what I could tell by your reading, because I only pull about 3 cards from the Rider-Waite deck and you had 10 jump out at you. When I tried to do your reading prior, 10 cards jumped out at you and they were of the same feeling. So if you do not get your ducks in a row, Aries, I fear that you're going to be just stuck in a black hole. So make sure that you realize that things are happening the way that they are, because there is just something so big and better out there, brighter for you, okay? So here is your card there, guys. Right there. I'll zoom in up on the cards then for you. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. This is Spiritual Findings with a Gypsy Soul. I am your Gypsy, Vera Lynn. You guys have a beautiful December.